Hi everyone, I'm going to explain to you how you're going to get into lesson 00 for your assignment for Remote Friday. You're going to go into the McGraw-Hill app that's on your dashboard. You're then going to, of course, click on your book. I have my teacher book here. And once you get inside, open up your class. You will see the lessons here. Right now, this is on lesson 1-3. You're going to click the back arrow down below here, and you'll notice the lesson numbers change. So you're going to wait till they get to lesson 00. When you find the lesson 00, click on it, and this is your assignment. You're going to open it up, click on it again, and you will notice 2 tiles. You're going to complete both of those tiles. They don't take long. And you pretty much follow the directions that are in the box. It says right on your learning activity screen. So click the pencil below and you're going to write your name. So I'm going to write my name. It's not real neat, I know. There. And then it says use the eraser tool to erase your name. Then write your name again in a different color. To get to the eraser tool, you'll notice that there's an arrow above the pen, so you click on the arrow and there will be your eraser tool and your color tool. So you click the eraser, you erase it, and you click back to your pencil. Oh, I forgot to change the color. We're going to change the color to another color, and you rewrite again. Oops, I'm still on eraser. I got to undo the eraser, and you write again your name. Then it says here you could forward by either going the drop down to screen 2 or the forward arrow. I just like to go to screen 2. Follow the directions. Click the, says it's writing on your learning activity screen. Click the type icon below, the T to use it. So you get the T, you type in it. You can tell I already got started on this. Let me erase that. Oh. Probably up here I can undo it. The hand will erase it. Or no, the hand will move it. You just pretty much follow the directions on it. I already worked ahead on this. And then this is where, don't forget the up arrow will give you other tools and enable you to change other colors. So again, keep in mind, this is where you go to all the pages. You can change the screen. Then you're going to go, once you finish this, you're going to go back to the other activity. That one's not quite as, this one's only 7 screens. Can't remember the screens on the other ones, but they don't take very long. So hopefully this tutorial helped you out.